Bye. What do we need? We need
Some food.
food. Bibilan ko si Ellie nito guys. Kay ang cute bodysuit. $2 lang siya. Nakita na naman siya ng bowl ko.
She's so excited.
Dapat onti lang taga bibili namin kaso naparami. Kasi nga, pupunta kami ng Sand Dunes ngayong Friday night? Friday in the morning?
Like midday, yeah.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Here's Mama Karen and pupunta tayo ng Walmart. Ito yung parang pinaka-first day namin dito sa Michigan ngayong year ng bakasyon namin. Nagngingipin si Ellie guys. Parang patubo na yung dito niya sa may dulo. Tara, punta tayo na. What are we buying here, babe?
I don't know.
Where's Mama?
Mom's buying stuff.
Huh?
I said Mama's buying stuff.
What are we buying? What do we need? We need
Some food.
food, Tylenol.
Oh yeah, I need to get some Tylenol. Yeah.
Dito na lang kayo mag-grocery, guys. Dito rin kasi madalas si Mama Karen nag-grocery.
Ah, yeah, good girl.
Car. Good job. Tapos, dinrap ko na yung order kasi may mga nag-order pa rin sa amin. So, yung ibang listing namin online, inano ko, dini-activate ko muna kasi hindi namin magagawa, hindi kayo makakapag-print. Pero yung mga na-print na namin, na
I
ready
actually
na.
grabbed some electrolytes too.
Yeah. Pero yung mga na-print namin na ready na, yun yung dinala namin. Dito kami sa loob, guys. Bibili kami ng Tylenol. Tapos, iba pang mga pagkain siguro. Kaya meron kami camping. Meron kaming camping ngayong... When is our camping?
Friday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday we go back to... Hindi ako ng mga tumbler. Parang kailangan ko ng tumbler, guys. Wala akong dalang tumbler dito. Pero meron naman sila Mama Karen. Pero let me see. Ang cute ng mga tumbler din nila, ah. Ang cute nito, oh. Itong purple. May hawakan. Marami kasi akong tumbler din sa bahay. Kaso nakalimutan ko nga magdala. Magkakalimutin. Diba? Iba naman tong Dove na to. Meron siya, taray, parang flavor. Strawberry crumb cake, key lime pie. Di amoy matamis yan. Oh, ang dami nilang tali din. Ellie, look. Mas mura pa dito, ah. Bumili ako ng parang $2 ata. Bili ko sa Dollar General. Yung para kay Ellie. Pero ito mura, oh. $1. Kasi tinatalian ko si Ellie, eh. May suklay. Ay. Bili kaya ako nitong suklay. Malaki. Kailangan ko ng suklay, eh. Ito na lang. Babe. Only $1. I need a hairbrush.
They were over by the...
Let me see. Ang cute naman ito. Kasi ang mamahal. Kung bibili ako ng tali, siguro mag-Shein na lang ako, no? Kuripot yarn. Pero kasi para sa akin pag ganito, tapos ganyan presyo, parang di makatarungan. Charot. Charot lang. Ayaw pang aminin na kuripot lang. Pero sino ba naman kasi bibili ng ganun, di ba? Meron naman tao talaga bumibili ng ganun. Mga $7 or $10 na mga tali. Pero, not me. Try ko to before nung meron akong dysmenorrhea. Maganda siya. Yung ganitong brand. Yan, yung... Ewan ko pang dysmenorrhea to, pero yun yung na-try ko dati. Tama ba? O yan, tama. Cramps. Maganda siya. Kasi dati, nung hindi pa ako nanganak, nagkaroon ng baby. Grabe din yung period cramps ko. Pero, nag-try ako nun. So, medyo okay naman siya. Depende rin siguro sa inyo kung hiyang kayo or what. Pero ngayon din ako nagtitake kasi wala nang sakit. What is that, babe?
It's hydration. Should we just do this one? This one's 30 servings for 24. Because these are 8 for 5. 16 servings for $10.
I mean, that's $5.
But you only get 8 servings.
Yeah,
This
but
is
we're not
30.
gonna use a lot.
Well,
right?
if you put a serving in each drink you have
Right.
for
Or you can go by the sports drink and they have electrolyte, it's called.
Right. In a pack, man, like sachet.
No, it's a liquid.
unless we're just gonna buy Gatorades,
It's up
which
to
would
you.
probably be more expensive though than $1. This is less than $1 a serving. Unless you think 8 is enough.
Yeah, I think 8 is enough.
Okay.
Because you just need to drink water.
That's what I'm saying.
the
You throw
house.
this in your water.
Dito tayo sa may... What are we getting here, babe? Sticker?
Our ORV and State Park stickers.
Yeah, so kailangan daw ng ORB and State Park sticker. Pagpunta namin sa Dunes. Oh, ang cute nito. Ang cute ng yellow. Ang cute naman nun. I like the color, look. Pink, yellow. Akala ko mahal yung Ozark na ganito. Pero $13. Not bad, guys. May handle na din siya. Pwede cold and hot. Ang cute ng kulay na to. Diba? Nakakita na naman siya ng bowl ko.
She's so excited.
$2 lang dito, guys. You happy?
Is that the best $2.50 I'm gonna spend if I buy it for you?
Huh? You like the
Does she
bowl?
need a big
Or
ball?
you can get her floaty thing.
Right.
Water.
Yeah, if
We're
we're
not
going...
always in the water though.
You should be.
We should be...
Like living in where you guys live.
Ooh. What about that?
You want that?
Here you go. Yay.
She's right
You got
there.
it here.
So like just let me sit right in the middle of the whole thing.
Yeah.
Should we get it for her or no?
Yeah. She can play with something, yeah.
For $2. Probably the best $2.
Hey, what is this, babe? Where that came from? Probably from there.
Latin America soccer ball? Here. Have that one too.
Really?
I'm just kidding.
I really thought you were gonna buy that.
Hi.
Hi. Ellie didn't see them. If she see them, she's gonna say, baby, baby.
Hey.
Hello. Oh, look at babe.
Yeah.
Nice design. Pool noodles. Ooh, clearance section. Yeah. Oh, look at this mini skateboard. Yeah.
Is she the kids' food section there? Does Ellie need more snacks? Did you bring enough or no?
She have some with in the container.
Enough for Silver Lake?
Yeah, 3. Maybe we
We can just look at them all.
yeah,
here.
we can add some. Bilan namin ng snacks si Ellie.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know, it's a ball, L. I know, I see it.
Oh. Clearance section, guys. Natutuwa talaga pag nakakita kong
We're gonna do that thing
clearance.
with the ORV stuff. Do I need to buy a magnet? Magnet over here? You guys got a pair of that thing of pet plexiglass we can cut.
Ang cute ng boots. Yung mga sandals. Dami ko na rin kasi sandals. Ayan o. Suot ko ngayon. First time ko rin suotin.
I can stick it to
Sa
my
TikTok
bar,
shop
or
galing.
I can buy a magnet.
Ang cute naman ito, $9. Para siyang Adidas or something na ano. Oh yeah, you're gonna play with the ball later. She's holding it.
They should hear.
Ang cute nito, guys. Tignan nyo naman. Oh, it was $30 ngayon. 11. This is so cute. XS. This is so nice. And then you can just put maybe pang ilalim. Kahit nga walang pang ilalim kasi mainit naman. Yes. Oh yeah. Look at this.
For you?
Yeah, it looks nice daw. Kaso XS. Madalas kasi ako medium or kasi depende sa size. Pero yung XS na ganito malaki, kasya na to sa akin talaga. Siguro sakto lang. Hindi siya pang patong. Di ba? Ano ko kasi. Bibilan ko si Ellie nito guys. Kay ang cute bodysuit. $2 lang siya. Yun kasi sa amin medyo mahal yung mga ganito eh. Bilan ko siya ng mga ilang piraso para may magamit din siya dito. Although meron ako mga biniling, may mga dinala akong damit sa kanya. Pero mura lang din naman kasi kaya. For the go, diba? For the go. May mga shorts naman na din siya. Marami na siya kang shorts eh. Ayan tayo dito. Ito kasi ata panlalaki. Oo nga pang baby boy. Ang cute sana nito kaso wala nang ibang malaki eh. Ewan ko kung kasya kay Ellie to. Hindi na. Maliit eh. Okay. Meron din dito. So, liit. Nireregaluhan din kasi ako eh. Yung friend ko na pupunta namin bukas. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung anong size na ng anak niya. There they are. Babe, for Ellie.
Oh, how
$2
much? Really?
each. I'll buy that for her.
These are only 97 cents.
Oh, yeah.
I'd say we get a whole bunch
Tignan
of
mo
those.
naman ang cute-cute. Babe, look. Oh, this is so cute.
Honestly, we're probably better off just buying
24
these.
months. Feeling ko kasya na to sa kanya. Oh, snack daw. Oh, snack. This is so cute, guys. Ang summer ni Ellie, diba? Ang cute. Ay ko dito. Snack! Yeah, that's your snack.
These are only 97 cents.
She loved those kind of snacks too. Yeah.
Oh,
You know what?
I can't see the bottoms in these ones.
Gusto ni Travis magbibili kami ng ganito. Kita niya, yung katulad nito.
So what we'll do?
Ito yung snack na gusto ni Ellie, guys. Oh. Ito yung Once Upon a Farm. Ito yung snack na gusto niya. Tapos ito, meron kami nito. May dala ko nito. Pero siguro bila ako sa kanya ng ano pa. Babe, you want me to buy her these?
These are 97 cents.
You want me to buy her this? Her
Do we need a few?
this.
Then you can buy a few.
Yeah.
Like this.
Gusto niya kasi ito eh. $3 nga lang isa. Pero syempre, para kay Ellie. Gusto niya kasi ito. Parang siyang yogurt, guys. Tapos, alam mo yung pag kinakain mo, parang natutunaw sa lalamunan.
These are like $2 cheaper. Here.
Which one is that?
Compare the ingredients. See how it is. Flip one of those around.
Yogurt bites. Ito nga parang yogurt bites. Snack? I know, we're buying your snack. Gusto niya snack?
Like right here, look
Snack?
at rice. This is perfect.
Yogurt bites.
Oh, babe, don't even buy those. Let's get these.
What is that?
There's 12, and there's only like 4 ingredients: rice, tapioca, strawberry
Diba?
powder, and strawberry. $1.92.
Oh, what about the blueberry? Then we can get that.
Okay.
Diba, nakahanap kami ng iba pang alternative. Ano?
And look,
Bet
there's
ni
not
Miss
much
Nat.
in that. There's not many ingredients, which is what I like.
Yeah.
There's like
Wow,
30
Ellie,
snacks. and It's
look.
only like $2 a piece. That's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
And then these are only 97 cents.
Tapos may bowl si Ellie. Wow, look Ellie oh. Snacks? Right here, you can hold this. Hold this. You can hold that. There you go. You like that? Huh? There you go.
From the fruit.
Bibili din daw kami.
There's
nito.
no added sugar, so sugar from the fruit.
I think we did already tried this before.
I'm just thinking a couple of them for the dunes. Keep them
Yeah,
cold.
for the dunes.
Yeah, keep
and
them
then
cold.
for Mackinac. Binila namin ng snack si Ellie guys kasi para ano, just in case na magutom siya.
Right.
Pero papakainin pa rin namin siya ng meal niya talaga. No?
That's fine. I think we got enough.
Ito ano natin
We
siya.
got enough at least for Silver Lake while we're
we
there.
we might need potato that I can bake for her.
Ingredients in each one.
Right, that's why we looked at those.
Right.
I do like this though, fiber and protein.
Dami pala nilang choices no para sa ano. Sa ibang store wala masyado. Ito the whole aisle oh, punong-puno.
This one has chai seeds in it too. That's a good one.
Hinalitan ni Travis kasi low sugar daw yun. Taray.
But this is the pear squash and blackberries.
Go ahead and grab that one on. Apple.
Maano kasi si Travis, bago kami bumili, kailangan check niya muna yung ingredients.
That's important. You can't just give her.
Ha?
You just can't give her junk. If you're feeding your kids sugar, then you probably should stop.
Never pa to si Ellie nakakain ng
Like in
chocolate.
this type of
or
stuff,
what.
like when they eat, like, say, cherries, blueberries.
They get
all
sugar
that,
anyway.
It's all natural.
Natural
Look at
sugar.
the avocado.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I tried this one before.
Will she eat
I
it?
went to she did eat it.
Let's grab two of them.
I bought that from Target and then she did eat the whole thing.
And you may have to mix it.
Yeah.
With
Yes.
crackers,
Mhm.
you know.
That's a little one though.
So ito yung binibili ni Mama Karen guys na juice. Yung not from this is from concentrate. Yung binibili niya is yung not from concentrate kasi daw purong ano siya, juice galing sa prutas. Ito masarap to guys, na-try ko to. Ay hindi. Ay oo, tama, na-try ko tong cranberry. Tapos ito din. Kasi ang dami niyang binili noon. Tapos, I think, yung strawberry hindi ko pa na-try. Sarap to siya eh.
I don't see the pink one that is-
Yeah, we tried with the guava ma.
I think, yeah, the pineapple mango.
Alright. They're probably out of stock.
Yeah.
What is this one ma? Clear one.
Oh, aloe vera.
Aloe vera? What does it taste like? Have you tried it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's good for, well, of course, for your skin.
it's good for it's good for you, but I don't think I
And
will
then,
like
how
the
Trent
taste.
has a problem going potty.
Oh, this one,
That's
yeah.
It's really good.
I wonder if he
But
will like
it's-
the taste. Probably not, because you know aloe vera. Yeah, but it's good for you, you
it's
know.
really good for you. So, yeah, I don't know.
And that's
it-
the one
it's-
we bought too, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got one too. Tapos ito yung binili namin din noon. Sarap siya guys. Malapit na matapos ang ating grocery. Pag mag-grocery, magpipick up kami ng creamer. Which one, babe?
And then look at.
Recently, nagba-black coffee ako guys. Nalagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting sugar. Pero minsan, nilalagyan ko din ng creamer. Pero sobrang onti lang. Kasi gusto ko yung black coffee. Pampagising talaga siya. So, tapos maglulumpia din kami. Magpipick up kami ng iba pang ingredients na wala kami sa bahay. Para gagawin namin ni Mama Karen mamaya. Kasi gusto ni Mama Karen yung lumpia. I tried that one, babe. Oh my gosh, it's so good, but it's a lot of sugar.
But
Oh, I think this one,
says
caramel.
Zero. This says
No,
zero
I think
sugar.
this one, caramel macchiato. It says zero.
Yeah, but they put vegetable oil in it.
So So far, ito yung mga binili namin, guys. Kay Ellie, karamihan.
We would probably need a big one.
Look what Mama Karen got. Protein drink, guys. Oh, that's a milk, ma, right? Is that the milk? Oh, yeah. Protein plus milk. Whole milk. Hi, guys! So, pauwi na rin kami, guys. Nakapamili na rin ako ng ireregalo ko sa anak niya. Dun sa friend ko dito sa Michigan kasi kikitain namin siya bukas. Nantay lang namin si Mama Karen. Travis na. Buryo na. Si Travis. Say hi, babe. Hi!
Hello.
Ang dami namin na nabili. Dapat onti lang taga bibili namin kaso naparami. Kasi nga, pupunta kami ng Sand Dunes ngayong Friday night. Friday in the morning.
Like midday, yeah.
Yes, and then Saturday, nandun pa rin kami. Bali, Sunday, nandun naman kami sa Mackinac Island.
Long
So
drive.
na-excite ako kasi napanood ko yung movie na Somewhere in Time and they shoot it there in Mackinac.
Yeah.
So,
It's an old movie.
Yeah, I'm
It's
excited
70s.
for that, guys. Kasi, we'll see kung anong itsura niya na ngayon. 'Di ba? Pero yung view talaga maganda rin. And gusto ko yung Grand Hotel na itsura. So, inantay na namin si Mama Karen, guys.
what she wants.
And we will go home na. Dami na rin namin nabiling damit ni Ellie. Para meron siyang palitan dito. Habang
yeah,
nagbakasyon.
yeah,
Kasi ano naman, clearance naman siya, no? Naka-sale naman. So, ayun lang guys, ang ating vlog for today. Thank you for joining us dito sa Walmart. Charot! So, see you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye!